Hey, what's up? I'm David from Caribbean Art Prints, and today I'm going to show you how to decorate your space with beautiful and, most importantly, affordable wall pieces. Wall pieces? Alright, to get started, you'll need to find some art that you really love. You can browse online marketplaces like our Etsy shop or other outlets that fit the aesthetic of your home. Look for designs that work with the decor, or choose something that adds a pop of color or interest to the space. Once you're locked on the design, it's time to print. For smaller prints, you can print them at home. Anything bigger than your home printer though, so you'd have to go to either like your local print shop, somewhere like FedEx or Staples, somewhere that does on-demand printing. An added benefit of using a local print shop is that most likely they'll produce a higher quality product than most home printers do. Either way, be sure to use a high quality paper to give your prints a professional look and feel. I personally like matte papers, but I know lots of people out there like the glossy finish, so it's really up to your personal preference. As for framing, you have a few options to consider. You can purchase frames from any home decor or art store. Somewhere like a Michael's or an IKEA would have a wide selection, or even online. Some people get creative and don't even use frames. They hang it with washi tape or binder clips directly on the wall. So there you have it. Decorating your home with printable wall art is an easy and affordable way to add some style to your space. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, share, tell a friend. Tell your mommy, tell your daddy, tell your auntie. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.